Is your check engine light refusing to shut off? And you don't own an OBD2 scanner? Don't stress. Welcome back to Auto Care Secret, where we break car trouble down into simple, doable fixes. Today we're covering 7 ways to troubleshoot and reset that stubborn light, and all without spending a dime on special tools. Let's get into it. Method 1. Check and tighten the gas cap. This one surprises people, but a loose, cracked, or missing gas cap is one of the top triggers for a check engine light. Pop the fuel door, take the cap off, and screw it back on until you hear it click a few times. Drive normally for a day or two now, and if this was the culprit, the light should clear on its own. Method 2. The key cycle reset, best for older vehicles. This trick tends to work well on older Mercedes models, especially ones built before 2010. Turn the key to the on position without cranking the engine. Hold for about 10 seconds, then switch it off. Repeat that sequence 3 times, then start the car as usual. It won't fix an underlying problem, but it can clear out minor electronic glitches. Method 3. Disconnect the battery. With the car off, disconnect the negative battery terminal using a wrench. Leave it disconnected for 15-20 minutes to give the ECU time to fully power down and reset. Reconnect the terminal and start the engine. If the original issue was minor, there's a good chance the light will be gone. Method 4. Clean the mass airflow MAF sensor. A dirty MAF sensor throws off your air-fuel mixture and is a common cause of that warning light. You'll find it near the air filter housing. Remove it carefully and clean it with MAF sensor cleaner. Never water, which can damage it. Let it air dry completely before putting it back. A clean sensor often means a clean bill of health for your engine light. Method 5. Let a drive cycle reset it. Sometimes the fix is simple. Just drive. If whatever tripped the light has already resolved itself, the car's computer may clear the code on its own after a completed drive cycle. Aim for about 15 minutes of mixed city and highway driving. No repeat errors means the light should switch off automatically. Method 6. Throttle reset trick. An out-of-sync throttle body can also set off the check engine light. Turn the key to on without starting the car. Wait about 10 seconds, you might hear some clicking, and that's normal. Then turn the key off and pull it out. Wait 60 seconds before restarting. This can help recalibrate idle control and smooth out throttle response. Method 7. Use an OBD2 scanner if you have one. If you do have access to a scanner, this is by far your fastest, most reliable option. Plug it into the diagnostic port under your dashboard. Turn the ignition on and let it pull the fault codes. Once you've confirmed and fixed the actual issue, most scanners let you clear the code directly, shutting off the light for good. A quick word of caution: clearing the light doesn't fix what caused it. Always diagnose and address the real problem first, then resetting the light without doing so just means it'll come back, and you'll be flying blind on a potentially serious issue in the meantime. And there you have it. 7 ways to tackle that check engine light without any special tools. If this helped you out, drop a like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to Auto Care Secret for more straightforward repair tips and maintenance tricks. Thanks for watching. Drive safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.